My mentor once texted me at 12 a.m. to create a 63-page brochure for submission by 8 a.m. How?
Don't forget to like, share, comment, and
subscribe.
Alright, so what happened? This is what happened. So my mentor texted me by 12 a.m. and he's like, do you have bandwidth? And I'm like, sure, I have bandwidth. I was like, alright, so I need to design a 63-page brochure. I'm like, alright, when do we need it? It says 8 a.m. I'm like, 8 a.m. as in later today? I was like, yeah. I'm like, wow, okay. Alright. Do I accept or do I not accept? But then, he's my mentor, so I decided to take it on. And what happened? I basically didn't sleep until 8 a.m. and it wasn't ready by 8 a.m. So I called by 8 a.m. I'm like, Chief, I need like 2 hours of sleep before I continue working on this. And I had 2 hours of sleep, woke up by 10, and I finished up sent by, I think, after 10, 11. So yeah, that's what happened. So how was I able to deal with that particular pressure of delivering in 8 hours? Well, more like 10. So yeah, let's get to it. First thing is to decide whether you're going to accept any pressure or any back-breaking work. Right, so decide first. If you aren't going to be able to do it, then just say it up front instead of raising someone's hopes and then dashing it or ending up disappointing and spoiling a lot of things. So when you decide I'm going to take it on, you commit to it and then decide, okay, we're going all in on this, and you give it what it takes. Secondly, depending on who is asking, if it's a client, you might want to charge extra for a ridiculous timeline. So for example, if someone reaches out for a project that should ordinarily take 5 days and that's for a 1-day delivery, let them know, alright, we can do this, but then it's going to cost a lot more. So I think from 5 days to 1 day, that's going to actually cost a lot. So you probably charge like, I don't know, 80% extra, 20% for each day. So you probably want to do that so you get compensated for losing sleep and all that stuff. The next thing I want to do is to actually pray. I personally want to pray because working on a 63-page brochure in 8 hours is no mean feat. I had no prior knowledge, no prior affiliation whatsoever with the brand, and I had to do that. So I'll pray, get inspiration, and get to work. The next thing I want to do is to break down the project into small pieces that will allow me to move at a steady pace. So I have 63 pages. I'm going to work on the identity first, then work on the cover page, probably work on the last page, and then start working through each page. So I'll then split the remaining 63 pages into probably 10 pages and say, okay, I'm going to do 20 pages in 1 hour, the next 20 in the other hour and all that stuff. So if you're working on a 2-week project that's been condensed to, let's say, 5 days, you probably want to delegate some of these things if you have a team you're working with. Thankfully I have a competitive team, I can always delegate stuff to. So you probably want to do that to make it easier for you to meet up with your deadline. And lastly, if you find out that I actually can't make this deadline, it looks like I'm not going to deliver, it's very, very important to reach out to the client or whoever you're working with and say, I don't think we'll be able to meet up with this deadline because of this, and this. Do you mind giving us extra time, a day or two? So you sort of manage the expectations by doing that. So your client knows, okay, I'm not going to get it by this time, but I'll receive it in the next 1 day, or couple hours, or whatever. So it helps manage the expectations and saves you from blasting calls. Where's my stuff? Where's my video? Get it, I already got blah, blah, blah. It'll save yourself stress. Alright, so I hope with the things I've said, you know and understand how to work under pressure better and deliver good stuff. So make sure to like, share, subscribe, tell a friend about Scope Creatives, and see you soon.